as you do know, we sometimes vlogs from the rides, and this is a kind of calm ride, so we're gonna vlog a little bit. This is a spinny, so we're gonna vlog a little bit for you on this ride. We're gonna ride the family boomerang over there. I was about to say, when I started saying that, it was there. You're gonna see it now, that one. We're gonna ride that one in a little bit. I think there's 3 family boomerangs in this park. We have a Vekoma SLC Standard, which is also, yeah, located over there somewhere. So we have quite a bit of rides still in this park. I think there's like 12 other roller coasters after this. So there's a lot of roller coasters. But anyway, we have a great day this far here in Energylandia, and look at this, you're gonna get a great view here. There you also got a great view over Sweet Valley, the new area of the park, which is not open yet. You have Choco Creek Mine, I think it is, or something like that. Choco Ship or something like Choco Ship Creek, I think it is. That's a new roller coaster, not open yet. There's another one next to it, which is also not open. And we think, we're pretty sure we're gonna get a Vekoma tilt over in that area in the future. So we're gonna come back, don't worry. Woo! They are kind of fun, this ride though. I think they're fun. We got some air time there, I really like it. Woo! Great view over Aqualantis.